Welcome to Office Portal. Today we are going to discuss about an important salary component called basic salary. When we talk about basic salary, we should understand what is basic salary. So we have some points here. The first point is basic salary is the minimum guaranteed salary for an employee without any deductions applied. So this is a minimum guaranteed salary. When we say there is no any deduction applied, that it does not relate with any productivity or any performance related thing. So this is a minimum guaranteed wages. Basic salary is usually calculated around 40% to 60% of employees' cost to the company, which is called CTC. So second point, it is a primary and essential salary component of any salary structure, irrespective of the industries. So it is a primary and essential salary component. So without the basic salary, we cannot have a salary structure. Third point, basic is taken into consideration for calculation of many other allowances and deductions such as HRA, conveyance and other earning components calculations. So when we have basic, we can have other salary component derived from basic. Like for example, house rent allowance, we call it HRA. So we can have a house rent allowance calculated on basic, a percentage of 40 or 50 percentage. This is calculated because the HRA house rent allowance is actually provided to employees, and to get the HRA exemption for the income tax purpose, there's one of the criteria is 40% for non-metro cities and 50% for metro cities is taken into consideration for calculation purpose. So this is why the HRA is also related with basic. Likewise, for other earning components, conveyance, transport, everything are related with basic, because we have first basic is derived and all the rest of the salary components to follow. Fourth point, basic salary is essential for considering the statutory provisions like gratuity, etc. So gratuity is paid from the basic salary. Even for government and non-government organization like private organization, they take into consideration of basic salary for calculation purpose. So Office Portal is built with the salary calculations method from CTC and considering the standard practice in the Indian payroll system. So in Office Portal, we are calculating basic as per the industry standard. So you can the users who are using Office Portal can have the guarantee that it is as per the industry standard. How basic is calculated? So for example, we have a small simple example here. When we have an employee with annual CTC of 8,40,000, which is divided by 12 will give you the monthly salary of 70,000 gross. So for this salary structure, when you have a basic of 50%, it will be 4,20,000 yearly and monthly 35,000. So this is our basic calculation. It's a small calculation to understand easily how the basic is calculated from CTC. How it is implemented in Office Portal. So as I mentioned earlier, Office Portal is taking into consideration of the industry standard practice. So we have taken this basic salary as a fixed component, and we have also selected this is calculated as percentage of CTC method, and the percentage could be selected by the user either 40%, 50% or 60% as per their company salary structure. So this is active always. In right side panel, this is actually included in CTC, though that is by default enabled, and this is also a taxable component, so that is also enabled, and this is paid on prorated basis as per the attendance. Yes, it is paid as per the prorated based on the number of days the employee worked for the salary of for the overall monthly gross salary. And this is by default, this component, basic component, is used for EPF calculation and ESA calculation. So this is the structure how basic is implemented in Office Portal. To set up a free account, go to www.officeportal.io and click on Setup Free Account link. To schedule a free demo, go to www.officeportal.io and click on Schedule a Demo link.